Hello everyone, welcome to TeamLeverage channel. And today in this short video, I will show you how to fix network access denied error on Windows 10. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, hit subscribe button, and without wasting time, let's start a video. So first of all, go to start menu and now here search app data. Just click on OK and do the same as I'm showing you in this video.